Okay, wow. So this is a 2016 Toyota Tundra Crew Max, and it seems to be the most difficult part for the installing the AMP research wires is this one right here. For me, the driver's side door, the blue wire. Oh my goodness. So, all right. So this is where you want to hook it up. So I'm right here looking at your wires. It's the first three right here. You got a white one, a blue one, and there's a black one underneath. That's where you want to go, is to the white one right there. Okay? Now I studied this for hours trying to figure out how the heck this goes on. Now let me I want a really good picture. Whoa, that's way too bright. Whoa, it's way too bright. So you guys can see. So 3 plugs here. There's the black one, the blue one, and the white. Well, we want the white one, and I tapped into this blue one right there. Okay, and I believe that's, let's see, these wires out of the way here. It's 1, 2. It's really hard. This is really tight quarters, but it's the one that's going right there. It's right next to the red wire. Your wires might actually be different colors because there's a lot. Look at some forums. It had a black wire above it, so it's this lighter blue one, and it looks to be okay. So it's, I'm gonna count the holes here from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6th one up if you count in the first hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th one up on the left-hand side. That's for your driver's side door. This thing literally took me forever. I'm going to include this with my video, but I just wanted to make a separate video for this because this seemed to be giving everyone the most problem, and I couldn't find a good video out there for it. Thanks to the guys on Tundra forums for figuring this out too. They were actually what helped me. So the weird part is I had this right, okay, and when I connected my running boards, and they all worked except for my driver's door one. So I was like, okay, maybe it's the other one. So I tapped into the other blue wire down there, and I had some issues. So I took the fuse out, had to go to work, and I was like, okay, I looked at the forums. I was like, I got that connected right. So after that, had it in that blue one, I connected back to this one, but when I was putting my fuse in, it was just like sparking and making weird noises. I was like, what the heck's going on? So I'm like, you have to do something. But so today, I turned off my Tundra, I drove it, came back from work, and then all I did was put in the fuse, and everything worked perfectly. So if yours isn't working, and you think you got hooked up all right, just turn off the truck or something, let it wait for a while, drive it around, start it and stop it a few times, I guess, put that fuse back in, and see what happens. That's what I did. I had it set up just like this. It wasn't working last night. When I drove to work, came back, went to work out, came back, then I just put the fuse in, and it's working fine. I don't know how to explain it. Sometimes when you restart a car or something, it resets the computer or something like that. So I'm super happy. I was really frustrated last night when it didn't work. So this is the one that gave me the most trouble. You guys can, I have this other video. I'll put a link in the description below, a long video of the total install. And I just wanted to get this one down because this one gave me the biggest headache, and I couldn't really find anything. I wanted to put this out for you guys. All right. Let's move on to the LED install, I guess.